honest, I was quite nervous coming here to see you all today. So to make myself feel a little bit better, I bought a new dress. Do you do that sometimes? Buy clothes to make yourself more confident? Well, there wouldn't be anything bad about it if not the high environmental burden of textile fiber production. And if you ask the customers, it turns out they don't even know that some of the fibers are made of wood cellulose. Try to explain it to them. They start to tell you about deforestation and ask you about the alternatives. And if you think about it, the textile fiber production worldwide exceeded 100 million tons per year globally. And it's expected to grow by 30% in the coming years. So how do we do it? How do we meet this growing demand and decrease the environmental burden? Well, there are already some companies on the market that try to meet that. For example, in Sweden, there is a company called Tree to Textile, and they have an environmentally friendly process for producing man-made cellulosic fibers. And if you look at the value chain, well, I get puzzled already on the very beginning. Could we get them the new raw material? Well, I looked into what is it on the market, what kind of cellulose-rich side streams are there to use. And I chose a few of agriculture waste side streams. And then I was trying to get the cellulose pure enough so that we can use it for cellulose textile fiber production. And I knew that this process of bringing up the cellulose out of those materials has to be based on the chemistry already used in the pulping industry, so that we could produce this pulp on the site of the existing pulp mills, so that we can integrate it and use it as a supplement to the existing wood-based pulps. And what I learned is that you can use wheat straw or oat husks and produce pulp that gives you good pure cellulose with a bit shorter fibers, but still good enough for the textile production. And doing that would allow us to be more resource efficient, meet the customer demand, and also put the pulping industry on the forefront of sustainable innovation. Thank you very much.